Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make TradingView charts smaller. The quickest way to adjust your chart scale is by using your mouse's scroll wheel. Simply scroll down to zoom out, which will make the candles appear smaller and display a broader range of historical data. Conversely, scrolling up will zoom in, making the candles larger and focusing on a more recent, detailed view. This method offers precise control over your chart's visual density. Another effective way to make your chart appear smaller, specifically in terms of price range, is by manipulating the price axis. Simply click and hold your mouse button on the vertical price axis, then drag it downwards. This action compresses the price scale, allowing you to view a wider price range within the same chart area. Dragging upwards will expand the scale, focusing on a narrower price band. To adjust the horizontal dimension and view more historical data, you can easily scale the time axis. Click and hold your mouse on the horizontal time axis at the bottom of your chart. Dragging your mouse to the right will compress the time scale, allowing you to see a much longer period of market activity. Dragging to the left will expand the scale, giving you a more detailed look at recent price action. For quick adjustments, you can double-click on either the price or time axis to automatically reset its scale, fitting all available data perfectly within your view. This is great for a fresh perspective. Also, consider using the magnet mode, which helps with precise drawing on a smaller, more condensed chart. These scaling changes are easily saved with your chart layout for future use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.